नमस्कार दोस्तों। हम लोग आज कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर शीला नाम्बियार से। Now Sheila, we really want to know about that because people usually when they cross 40 they think they have lived their life now, so they have this thing in their mind. And usually whenever even if somebody is watching this webinar also, they call their children, you come, this is for you, this is not for me because I have to live my life. This is for you. So could you just give the tips to all our viewers who have just crossed 40 or maybe already crossed 40, ki like how they can approach their health, happiness and fitness?
Yeah. It's not specifically the age 40, but somewhere thereabouts. We find that, your life starts to change in many ways. For starters, I think most people in their 40s have children who are slightly more grown up, so their dependency on the parents is much less. The parents themselves have more time for themselves, and your health also starts to change after 40. So 40 is actually definitely not the end of your life, certainly not the end of your life, because the lifespan of the human has increased greatly thanks to medicine, thanks to modern science and research. So if you want to live the rest of your life, maybe another 40 years, hopefully, if you want to live it healthily, then you need to start implementing changes in your life in such a way that you do lead a better quality life, not necessarily the number of years, but a better quality of life. And I think also, Adi, what happens is people start to think a little more, introspect a little more as they grow older, once they cross 40, or, as they grow older, you start to think about things a little better, a little deeper. You become more mindful. So you start thinking about things like your health and how do you, meaning in life, purpose in life. These are the things that we tend to think about because we realize that life is not just about making money or having a great job or having a big house or a fancy car. There are more things in life. Your relationships tend to matter a little more. So when you take all these things into account, you become a more mindful person. And when you become a more mindful person, you start to automatically want to implement the necessary changes to make that quality of life better. So simple things like your sleep, your stress, your relationships, these things matter. Quality of sleep, for instance, is extremely important. Just losing one night of sleep sets you up for higher blood sugars the very next day. Consistent sleep deprivation sets you up for diabetes. So all of these pillars of lifestyle that I've already mentioned become even more important as you start to get older, because your body is not going to be able to tolerate you abusing it as you get older. So we need to be more mindful, more respectful of our bodies and our minds, more so as we get older. And that's why I wrote the book for over 40s. You have specific changes: menopause for women once they cross 45, andropause for men, which is also a thing as they start to get older. So we need to start becoming more mindful as we age.
बिल्कुल दोस्तों, ये बेहद ज़रूरी है कि आप अगर 40 को क्रॉस कर गए हैं तो जैसे कि शीला ने कहा कि बॉडी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी अगर आप उसको अब्यूज़ करेंगे तो विद एज आपका बॉडी थोड़ा फ्रिजाइल भी होता है। जिस तरीके से आप 20, 25, 30, 35 के उम्र के दौरान एक लाइफस्टाइल रख लेते हैं, ठीक है, हम वो भी एंडोर्स नहीं करते हैं कि आप वो लाइफस्टाइल तब भी रखें, पर तभी अगर 40 के बाद आपको और माइंडफुल होना होगा। दैट्स द की वर्ड, आप माइंडफुल रहिए। हम लोग वैसे भी 40 के बाद ये समझने लग जाते हैं कि जिंदगी का जो पर्पस होता है वो थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है। जब हम 20 से 30 साल के बीच में होते हैं, 30 से 40 साल के होते हैं, तो हमारा जो माइंडसेट होता है वो बहुत अलग होता है, और 40 के बाद हमारा माइंडसेट थोड़ा डिफरेंट होने लग जाता है। हम रिश्तों को अहमियत देने लग जाते हैं और हम लोग लाइफ के पर्पस को समझने के लिए जाते हैं, और हम लोग समझ लेते हैं कि सिर्फ पैसा कमाने से सब कुछ नहीं होता है। तो अगर ये माइंडफुलनेस आपके अंदर आ रही है, और अगर नहीं भी आ रही है, तो प्लीज इसको लेके आइए, अपनी बॉडी के मैसेजेस को समझिए, और भगवान करे कि आप अगले 40 साल भी बहुत हेल्दी वे में निकालें